Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use a live loop in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments that you can play. You have your audio recorder option right here and so on. So let's go and see how we can get started using live loops. As you can see guys, the live loop section is right here in the upper left corner in the main page. So click on live loops right here next to your tracks, and now this is going to open up this new menu of live loops where you can find all the loops that you can access. As you can see, we have our EDM loops, hip hop, rock, and so on. We also have the sound library. This is a huge store and library where you can browse all the packs that you can use and that you can get and buy for yourself to use in your songs. But we're now going to go ahead and be showing you the live loop. So let's say you want to make a live loop of the hip hop beat right here. So you're going to go ahead and click on hip hop, and this is now going to go ahead and open up and load up the live loop of this hip hop beat. Then now we can get started with editing. So as you can see guys, here we can see what has been done. We can find all the tracks and edits that have been made, and you can get started with editing them right here. You can click that mastering effect, you can add your own plugins, equalizers, and so on. And once you're finished guys and you want to go and find it, you'll be able to do so right here by clicking the record button at the top of the screen and recording yourself over this live loop. Once you're finished, in the upper left corner you'll be able to go back into edit mode right here, as you can see, where you can find all the tracks that you have, and this is where you'll be able to find your new track which you're recording over the live loop. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.